In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos on Craigslist. Whether you're selling an item or promoting a service, adding images can greatly enhance the visibility and appeal of your listing. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up Craigslist in your web browser and go to your local area's Craigslist page. Once you're there, locate the Post button, usually found at the top left of the screen. Click on it to start your new ad. This is your starting point for creating your listing. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of ad you want to create. Depending on what you're offering, you might select from categories like for sale, housing, or services. Most often, if you're selling something from home, you'll click on For Sale by Owner. After selecting the appropriate category, you'll need to specify the item or service you're advertising. This could be anything from a used bicycle to a professional service. Once you've chosen your category, it's time to fill out the required fields for your listing. This typically includes details like the title of your ad, the description of the item or service, and your contact information. Be sure to fill these fields thoroughly and accurately to ensure potential buyers have all the information they need. After filling in the necessary details, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Click it to move on to the next step. Now it's time to set your price. You can choose whether your item is free, negotiable, or fixed price. Make sure the price you set is competitive and reflects the market value of your item. Once you've entered the price, click Continue again. This brings us to the most crucial part, adding images. You'll see an option to Add Images. Click on it and it will allow you to upload photos from your computer. A good tip here is to use high-quality images that clearly showcase the item or service you're offering, as this can significantly boost your chances of attracting attention. You can upload multiple images, so take advantage of this by showing different angles or aspects of what you're advertising. When you're satisfied with the images you've added, review your listing to make sure everything looks good. Double check for any typos or errors, as these can detract from the professionalism of your ad. Once you're ready, submit your listing. And there you have it! You've successfully added photos to your Craigslist post, making it more appealing and informative for viewers. Remember, a well-crafted ad with clear images can make all the difference in getting your item sold or your service noticed. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Craigslist!